Hello and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by for yet another video. I do appreciate that, and I do appreciate you. So here we got some tropical depression slash storm update here that may be a threat to possibly Florida. So I wanted to make a quick video here. It says Caribbean Invest 93L could develop into a tropical depression or storm this weekend. And let's take a look. Now, this is from September 10th here in Naples, Florida.
We are nearing the final month of the hurricane season, and what a season it has.
Turn that volume off real quick. You know, just a quick reminder here. I just wanted to show this video. This is, this from right here says we're heading into the last 5 weeks of hurricane. Oh, okay, well, I just wanted to show you the beginning of that video. Anywhere where it was showing the past hurricanes that had hit Florida there. But it goes on to say that the Western Caribbean is being monitored for possible tropical development this week. It says the potential system will bring heavy rains to parts of Central America in the near term. Now it says late season storms are often formed in the Western Caribbean or Western Atlantic and move northeastward. It says a broad of low pressure in the Western Caribbean could develop into a tropical depression or storm this week, but will first soak parts of Central America with locally heavy rain. It says the National Hurricane Center has highlighted a portion of the Western Caribbean for a medium chance of tropical development during the next 5 days. These odds could increase or decrease later this week depending on the evolution of the atmospheric ingredients near this region. It says this system has been dubbed Invest 93L by the National Hurricane Center, which is a naming convention used to identify features that are being monitored for possible tropical development. So here's where you can see where it's currently at. This says 5-day potential development area. So we're going to have to keep an eye on if this storm actually comes together and forms, but it does go on to say that Invest 93L is currently disorganized but is producing showers and thunderstorms near Central America. It says in the near term, a cold front and broad area of low pressure may contribute to a heavy rain threat in southern Mexico and Central America. It says these downpours could actually lead to eventual flooding and mudslides. And you can just see how heavy these rains are going to be in some areas. It also says that the ocean temperatures continuing to run 1 to 3 degrees above average or in the mid 80s across the majority of the Caribbean Sea, which is plenty supportive for tropical storm growth and development. Land interaction, however, is currently a hindrance to its ability to organize. So, like I said, we're going to have to keep an eye on this to see if it actually does come together. It does say though the area of disturbed weather will get drawn north and then northeastward by a southward dip in the jet stream that will sweep through the central and eastern states late this week and into the weekend. As a result, the area of low pressure or moisture surge associated with it could get pulled towards Cuba or South Florida by this weekend. It says the main impact from the system in those areas at this time appears to be heavy rainfall and possible flooding, but check back with weather.com for updates as to possible changes in the forecast. So as of right now, it just seems like it's going to be a stronger storm with heavy rains and possible flooding. But Florida doesn't nowhere needs any more rain or flooding or landslides right now. I mean it's been a crazy hurricane season. So we're gonna have to wait and see what happens obviously with this. So as of right now, I don't believe there's any more updates, but here's another possible track. So it may not even head up towards Florida or whatnot, so we're gonna have to keep an eye on this one and see what comes of it. But I did want to make a quick video on it because this thing could turn into a possible tropical depression. At the very least, it may bring heavy rains and flooding to South Florida. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. Any more updates come, I'll definitely get that out to you guys as well. So again, thanks for supporting the channel and watching these videos. I appreciate every single one of you. Be sure to share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you have a great day. Peace.